to the channel.
Here we're back. We're gonna try to make a thing.
We're gonna make a thing.
We're gonna make something new.
Make a thing.
At least this one doesn't have to do with a board.
Yeah, this is just something. This is something fun. We're just gonna throw something together and see how it goes. So we've got an upcoming U.S. tour, and we're gonna do some street skating, and it's always good to have good lights. So today we're gonna try to make a skate light.
We're gonna try to do it better than we did 20 years ago.
20 years ago was awesome, except it almost lit the van on fire.
That's true. I forgot about that.
So I've already bought some parts for our street skating night light, and we're just gonna mess around and I don't know. We'll build this thing up. I bought some parts. First thing I bought was a 12-volt big old battery, some nice LED lights.
You can jump on any handrail you want right now.
And here's my favorite. I bought a toggle switch. That's the best part so far. So now we're gonna go buy something to put all the guts in, and I don't know. We'll come up with ideas while we go.
Let's do it. Totally fits.
What are you gonna clean the box?
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, see? It attaches to this. You can make that work. Attach to the top there. We'll take that out. Boom! Light.
Do we do two or just one?
$4. We do two.
We got the box that we're gonna put it in. We need a little bit of wire, some electrical stuff.
So we're going to another store.
Oh, our favorite.
We're gonna make this work.
I like how we have no basket or anything. We just you don't need a basket.
Okay.
All right. So what do we got here?
Battery. We got this little cute box. Little guy goes not there. Boom.
So those are our nice
Extenders.
telescope. We'll take off the heads of those and
boom. Without the head, obviously. Attach
somehow.
with this thing.
Oh yeah, dude. We could look. These actually come unscrewed.
Oh,
There's little screws. We can take that off.
look at that. I just made it easier.
Dan is winning.
I win at life sometimes.
Then
Then
we have.
our 6 foot of cable. You want
You
it.
can't turn.
Pivot 1 and 1. But yes,
I know, but that's pretty cool.
that is pretty cool. I like it. I guarantee you're losing these.
Losing what? Oh no,
Yep.
they're gonna be like.
You see
tied
those
on
3
there.
children over there?
It's kind of neat. That's kind of neat, Dan. I do the poles. You're gonna do the electrical?
No, I don't want to. This
Well, let me do the electrical then.
Okay, I just was messing.
You're scary.
I am scared.
Today's all about using tools that aren't meant for the job.
You mean everything we do?
Oh, I was talking about you, the tool.
Dang, that's good.
You got.
I'm trying to fit a square thing into a rectangular thing. We're so close.
So we got everything wired up. We plugged in the last ones. Let's see if she powers up.
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
we got it! Yeah! All right.
Dogs.
Hey! I got the lights, guys!
Grant.
Whoops!
Grant, come
Hey, you gotta check this out.
check this out, dude. Yeah, show them all stuff.
Oh, yeah.
See, it just fits in there like that.
Yeah, that's pretty fancy.
Yep. You ready?
Oh, what's this for?
What do you mean, what's this for?
This is our
No,
night
no,
light.
this.
Oh, you'll
What?
see. You'll see.
What do you mean, what's that for?
It's okay for now.
Yep.
It's okay for who it's for.
Handrail. Handrail.
That is pretty sweet.
So, we made a thing. That's our night skate light.
Look at that. I know it didn't take us 8 hours.
Yeah.
Boom.
Only about 4. Well, I think that ties it up. We're all done. Okay.
What do you gotta do?
We'll catch you next time.
And?
This was a make a thing. Leave some
Subscribe.
comments. Subscribe, bell, you
Ring
know
the
all that
bell,
stuff.
yeah,
We don't
yeah.
even-
Oh,
whatever.
good. I'm sick of saying that.
All right.
Hearing that.
Peace.
Lights off.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That is nice.
It's sick. Super sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, homie. Nah.